This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 160QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features microwave, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 160QB is 3,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.